Greetings and welcome to the channel. In today's video we will be talking about how to construct an imaginal scene successfully. Now, if you follow Neville Goddard's teachings, you already know that imagination creates reality. Human imagination is a powerful force, and if used correctly, it can manifest all your desires. Since the human mind is extremely powerful, and since by using imagination as a means of manifestation can potentially help you manifest faster and better, I think it is essential to analyze the correct way of visualization and how to construct an imaginal scene. That's why in this video I will explain how to construct an imaginal scene successfully and some tips on what to pay attention to. But now it's time to get started. Now, since most of Neville's teachings revolve around imagination, and since what you do in imagination is an instantaneous creative act, the correct way to visualize and create an imaginal scene is via creative visualization. So, how do you implement creative visualization when constructing an imaginal scene? I will explain everything you need to know in the following parts. Now, step into the scene. You have to enter the dream. Don't try to imagine in third-person view, but in first-person view. You're not seeing your dream car. You open the door, sit down, and feel the leather seats, start the engine, smell the new car smell, hear the engine sound, drive the car, feel the pedals, etc. Use all of your 5 senses. Whenever you try to create an imaginal act, make sure you use all your 5 senses. Try to incorporate all your senses in the imaginal scene. For example, imagine hearing close friends congratulating you for your achievements. Try to imagine how the steering wheel of your new car feels, the smell of your new car, etc. The placement. Make there, here, and then now. Imagine you are now driving the car. Your dream car is right here. Feel this as if the desire has already been manifested. Feel the sense of accomplishment and ownership. Feeling. Neville explains that while visualizing you have to feel as if the desire is manifested, and that after recreating the imaginal scene in your mind, you go about your day, but you have the feeling of confidence that your imaginal act will come into fruition. Now, don't forget the feeling is the most important part, and after a while this feeling will become natural. When the feeling of naturalness occurs, probably this is the time that your manifestation will be objectified. Inner conversations. Since they represent your inner voice, watch for negative moods and feelings that will try to sabotage you for not actually seeing your desire into the 3D yet. Still, stay focused and wait, because with every imaginal act you plant a seed. Try to remember that. Each individual seed has a specific time for harvest. You have planted a seed and you will soon see the harvest of that which you have sowed. Neville Goddard, Imagination Creates Reality. And that was the end of our video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on the notification bell. You can always leave your suggestions and comments down below. Thanks for watching.